Creating characters that feel real in a story is essential for engaging readers and bringing the narrative to life. To achieve this, writers must focus on developing characters with depth, complexity, and relatability. One key aspect of making characters feel real is giving them unique personalities and traits that set them apart from one another. This can be achieved through detailed descriptions of their physical appearance, mannerisms, speech patterns, and behaviors. By providing readers with a clear sense of who the characters are as individuals, writers can make them more believable and memorable. In addition to physical attributes, characters should also have distinct motivations, goals, and conflicts that drive their actions throughout the story. By giving characters clear objectives and desires, writers can create a sense of purpose and direction that adds depth to their personalities. This can help readers understand the characters' motivations and empathize with their struggles, making them more relatable and engaging. Another important aspect of creating realistic characters is ensuring that they experience growth and change over the course of the story. Characters should face challenges and obstacles that force them to confront their beliefs, values, and flaws, leading to personal development and transformation. By showing characters evolve and learn from their experiences, writers can make them more dynamic and compelling, drawing readers into their emotional journey. Furthermore, characters should have relationships with other characters that feel authentic and meaningful. By exploring the dynamics between characters, writers can reveal their strengths, weaknesses, and vulnerabilities, creating complex and nuanced interactions that drive the plot forward. By showing how characters interact with one another, writers can deepen their understanding of the characters' motivations and emotions, making them more relatable and human. To make characters feel real, writers must also pay attention to the details of their internal thoughts and emotions. By delving into characters' inner lives, writers can reveal their fears, desires, and insecurities, adding depth and complexity to their personalities. By showing characters' internal struggles and conflicts, writers can create a sense of intimacy and vulnerability that resonates with readers, making the characters more relatable and empathetic. Finally, to make characters feel real, writers must ensure that they are consistent and believable in their actions and decisions. Characters should behave in ways that are true to their personalities and motivations, maintaining a sense of authenticity and credibility throughout the story. By staying true to the character's core traits and values, writers can create a sense of continuity and coherence that enhances the overall narrative. Creating characters that feel real in a story requires attention to detail, depth, and authenticity. By developing characters with unique personalities, motivations, and relationships, writers can make them more relatable and engaging to readers. By exploring characters' internal thoughts and emotions, showing their growth and development, and ensuring consistency in their actions, writers can bring their characters to life, making them feel like real people that readers care about and root for.